Hello, the little bane of my existence. Hello, the jumper of fences. Hello, the explorer of the yard. I really have to get you guys a better fence. One step at a time, one step at a time. Backyard gets cleared. New coop gets built. 6 paddocks get built. That's what we're looking at. Hello, everybody else. Hello. Excuse me, ma'am. Do you have a word for the press? She's not taking comments at this time. Everybody happy with breakfast? Everybody enjoying? Let you guys scrounge for a bit. How about you, little lady? Can I say hi? No? May I say hi? No? May I say hi? Ooh, nope, not quite. You said yes and then decided against it. I respect that. See, I'm not food right now, that's why. They're hungry. You guys get so many nesting boxes. Weekly fresh shavings. So why? Why? Good morning, Bumbles. How we doing? Beehive looks... I can never say that without chuckling. Beehive looks like it's doing really good. He's got a little activity. And C looks like it's doing pretty strong too. I might have to throw the suit on and get in there and take a look at you guys. Doesn't seem like you guys are messing too much with the sugar water either. That ain't bad.